Firefighters are basically modern-day superheroes. Think about it. They aren't scared of heights. They can withstand intense heat. They're dependable and trustworthy. So is it really a surprise that firefighters also make really great roofing contractors? Meet the team at Firefighter Roofing.
Firefighter Roofing is a family-owned and operated business. Me and my wife have started it. All the people here are first responders, retired, military, fire, police. We developed the business to be able to have a business people could trust. Our clients can be from military, retired military, or it could be just the normal citizen that just wants to be looked out after, that just wants somebody they can trust that's going to handle their situation, that's not going to take advantage of them, putting on a top quality product with the manufacturer that actually stands behind their product.
Staffed by former firefighters, police officers, military service members, and other first responders, Firefighter Roofing has earned a sterling reputation for the quality of their work.
Firefighter Roofing, being made up primarily of first responders, has made a huge impact on the industry in our area because we do love to serve the public and we do love to teach them. So when we interact with our clients, what we try to do is have them understand what the process looks like and the questions that they should be asking other contractors that they may be interviewing at the same time. And then we know that they are making a wise decision.
The Firefighter Roofing really seems to be growing because the top quality work that we give and the way we treat the customers have really seemed to make the customer really want to send out referrals and talk to their neighbors. And I mean, it's really became a family operated thing. We know most of our customers have become friends with us. At Firefighter Roofing, we really want to protect the homes and the investments for the customers.
When I met Jeremy, right away, he struck me as someone who was very calm. He carried firefighter confidence and credibility. He took a look at the roof. The nice thing here is he said, look, you've got some hail damage. A firefighter would not recommend that you get a new roof right now. And that really, surprised me and pleased me, obviously, that I didn't need a new roof, but that someone who was selling the product would recommend against actually purchasing it at that point in time. When the time came, I called Jeremy and Firefighter. It was clear that they were very organized and very structured in their approach. And they got through a big roof in a day and a half. It was way faster than I would have thought.
Firefighter Roofing only uses the best materials for its projects. That's why they trust the product sold by SRS Distribution.
So at SRS Distribution, our job is to meet the needs of homeowners across the country in partnership with our contractors, which means finding the best materials to protect the greatest asset of individuals across this country. We partner with Firefighter Roofing because we want to advance the industry forward. And in doing so, working with sophisticated companies who take care of their customers and put a great name on the roofing industry. They're the best because they do what they say they're going to do. They uphold their warranties. They have a very high standard for the installations. And whenever they're competing against somebody else, they stand out, not just because of the workmanship, but also because of their character.
Anytime we have any defects in materials or anything like that, it's important that we have a company like SRS that's going to stand behind their products that they deliver to us and make sure that they get us new products that we may need to replace damaged products immediately. At the end of every project, we send out an opportunity for our clients to give us a review and tell us their direct feedback, and it has felt really good to hear their feedback and to make sure that they're happy.
What keeps me motivated to do the work I'm doing here at Firefighter Roofing is watching the smiles on the customer's face and the positive comments that come back by the positive reviews that we get from the customers. That keeps me more motivated to watch the top quality products we are putting on and how we're helping the customer.
To find out more about Firefighter Roofing, visit firefighterroofing.com and designingspaces.tv.